Hey everyone, it's David Verbruggen here with Charts by TRADEway. Want to make a quick video here on reconciling your trades. Now, this is specific to options trades that have expired. Now, you're only going to have to reconcile the trade if you've held an option through expiration. Essentially, what's going on is the platform is not going to guess at what has happened, whether you've been assigned, whether it expired out of the money. So there's just a little bit of button clicking you need to do to let the platform know, yes, this is what actually happened. So let's head on up to our journal tab here, portfolio journal. You can see all these different things here. The yellow ones are going to be the ones here that you need to reconcile. You see here it says you have trades that need reconciled, so you can click there to bring you to the reconciliation view. And then you can see several different trades here. For example, we'll start off at we'll start at the top here. Why not? Here we go. Long put. So this long put on, I believe it was SPY. Yep, I did on SPY. This one, it expired out of the money. So if it had not, then you could see maybe you choose exercise and then sold the stock, or exercise sold short. In this case, we expired out of the money. So I'm just going to click save there, and then it's good to go. The platform now remembers that. It puts it in with your statistics in here. Next, we got a bear call done on Apple here. So bear call, this one also expired out of the money. So that's good for us in this case here. And save both of those. And that was both legs, because again, bear call, credit spread, you got both those legs, that short leg, long leg. So you're just telling both of them what happened here. Same thing here. Got this bull put now, expired out of the money on both legs. Now, if you were to expire in between the legs, for example, then one of them is going to say expired OTM, out of the money. The other one's going to be exercised, right? So save that. It's pretty simple here. In this case, I think all of them are going to be expired out of the money. This one here as well, another, this one now a bear put on Apple. So, and then finally here, a bull call on BE. So this one's a little bit different here, right? So here we have a bull call debit spread that expired in between the legs, right? So I've got the long leg here, and that was actually exercised to buy the stock, but the short leg expired out of the money, so it did nothing. So in this case, I would take on 100 shares per contract of this this bull call debit spread. So in this case, again, hit save and hit save. Now you have the option, of course, of changing those fields if it was something different that happened. I haven't had to do that yet. The platform does a really good job of estimating what it thinks happened, but it doesn't want to make a final determination and just guess at it. So just a little bit of clicking you got to do there, but pretty straightforward, simple. Let us know if you've got any questions. Thanks, guys.